When you think of cows, what comes to mind? Calm, slow creatures chewing grass. Maybe a gentle moo. But what if I told you cows are packed with bizarre biology, emotional depth, and social quirks that could give dolphins and dogs a run for their money? Today, we're exploring 10 weird facts about cows that are as fascinating as they are surprising. Let's chew the cud of curiosity and swoop right in. Number 1. Cows have best friends. Really, and they get stressed without them. Cows form deep, emotional bonds. They don't just hang out in herds randomly, they choose specific friends and spend the majority of their time with them. A study by animal behaviorist Krista McLennan revealed that when cows are with their preferred companion, their heart rates drop, they vocalize less, and show clear signs of relaxation. Separate them? It's like taking a kid away from their favorite playground buddy. They get visibly anxious. This emotional sensitivity shows that cows have individual personalities, and their social needs matter deeply. Farmers now use this insight to reduce stress in dairy cattle by letting bonded cows stay together. Now that's smart animal care. Number 2. They don't have 4 stomachs. They have one super stomach with 4 chambers. Contrary to popular belief, cows don't have 4 actual stomachs. They have one complex stomach divided into 4 specialized compartments: the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. Each chamber plays a unique role. The rumen hosts billions of microbes that ferment plant matter. The reticulum traps indigestibles and helps regurgitate cud. The omasum absorbs water and nutrients, and the abomasum functions like our stomach, using acid to digest. This digestive marvel allows cows to convert cellulose-rich plants like grass, which is indigestible to most animals, into energy and protein. It's like carrying a chemical refinery inside their gut. Science calls this rumination. Farmers call it chewing the profits. Number 3. They can smell trouble or lunch from over 6 miles away. Cows have an incredible sense of smell, over 6 miles in optimal conditions. They use scent to identify other cows, detect predators, find food, and even sense when their calves are nearby. This ability is due to their highly developed olfactory system, with thousands more receptor cells than humans. Think of it as cow radar. They're constantly scanning their environment through scent. And yes, if you've ever approached a cow with a sandwich in your hand, she might already be sniffing you from the far end of the field. Number 4. Cows have almost 360-degree vision, but one dangerous blind spot. With eyes on the sides of their heads, cows enjoy a wide field of vision up to 340 degrees. That's nearly a full circle. They can see movement behind them, above them, and beside them, ideal for detecting predators in the wild. But they do have a blind spot directly in front of their nose and behind their head. That's why they sometimes hesitate when approached head-on, especially by unfamiliar humans. This unique vision setup comes with a trade-off. Cows have excellent motion detection, but poor depth perception, so walking downstairs or through narrow spaces is kinda terrifying for them. Number 5. Cows can hold grudges. Yes, they remember who wronged them. These animals don't just remember their friends, they also remember who's been rude. Studies show that cows can recall individual faces for years and form strong associations with those memories. If a handler was aggressive, cows have been seen to avoid that person long after the incident. If they were treated kindly, they would approach them more readily. This type of long-term emotional memory is rare in livestock and shows just how intelligent and emotionally responsive cows can be. So next time you visit a farm, remember, be nice, because cows don't forget. Number 6. Music changes. Milk, classical tunes make for calmer cows. In 2001, researchers at the University of Leicester played different genres of music to dairy cows and tracked their milk output. The result? Cows listening to soothing music like Beethoven or ambient sounds produced more milk than those hearing aggressive or fast-paced tunes. The theory is simple. Relaxed cows are happier and more productive. Music helps lower their stress hormone levels and keeps them calm during milking. Some farms now play curated playlists during milking hours. Yes, cow Spotify is real. Mozart, Debussy, even lo-fi beats. Cows love it all. Number 7. Cows can climb up stairs, but going down, that's a no-go. It's true. Cows can go upstairs fairly well thanks to strong hindquarters and stable balance. But descending stairs? Not so easy. Their knee structure and weight distribution make it hard for them to step down without risking a fall. Cows tend to descend in an awkward, stiff-legged shuffle, if at all. This has even led to viral stories of cows stuck in houses or barns after wandering up staircases and refusing or being unable to come back down. Farm design often takes this into account, with sloped ramps instead of stairs. Number 8. Cows chew cud for 8 hours a day. Because digestion is a team sport, cows are chewing machines. On average, they chew 40,000 jaw movements a day. Much of that spent ruminating, re-chewing, regurgitated cud. This isn't gross, it's genius. By regurgitating and re-chewing their food, cows break down tough plant fibers that most mammals can't touch. Meanwhile, inside the rumen, billions of microbes digest the plant matter. In return, cows absorb fatty acids and nutrients produced by this microscopic team. Basically, cows have outsourced their digestion to an internal microbial army, and it works beautifully. Number 9. Regional accents in moos? Yes, cows talk differently, based on herds. Believe it or not, cows might have regional accents. Farmers across the UK and the US have reported that cows from different herds moo slightly differently. And studies suggest this could be due to social learning. In smaller, tighter herds, cows mimic the vocal patterns of others, similar to how humans pick up dialects. Researchers believe this allows cows to communicate more effectively within their group, especially for locating calves or coordinating movement. So yes, a Highland cow and a Texas Longhorn might actually sound different. And not just because of the scenery. And at last, number 10. Cows are learning to use toilets seriously. Environmental scientists are now teaching cows to use toilets, and they're succeeding. Why? Because cow waste contributes heavily to ammonia emissions, a major pollutant in agriculture. In a 2021 study dubbed the Mooloo experiment, researchers rewarded cows for urinating in designated spots. Within weeks, over 2/3 of the cows were consistently using the toilet zone. Training cows to pee in one place reduces ammonia, helps capture useful fertilizer, and improves hygiene in barns. Potty-trained cows might sound silly, but they could be a climate-saving innovation. So, the next time you see a cow lazily munching on grass, remember, she has a best friend. She might be silently judging you. She could be vibing to Beethoven, climbing stairs, or learning to use a toilet. Cows aren't just gentle. They're surprisingly smart, emotionally aware, and biologically brilliant. If you loved this journey into bovine brilliance, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more weird science every week, and comment below with which cow fact surprised you the most. I'll see you next time, and yeah, remember, respect the cud.